Okay, let me get in our correspondent Gaurav Sawant. Gaurav Sawant is now with us for the political buzz. Gaurav, what exactly is happening in Lutyens, Delhi post the release of this much awaited election manifesto by the Congress party?
Well, the Congress party has specifically targeted one section that they want to focus on in election 2014. When Rahul Gandhi had that 6-minute audio-visual presentation, he said they travelled for 5 months across 27 different locations. Who were they focusing on? Farmers, labourers, workers, women. They were focusing on one section which is above the below poverty line but below the middle class, and that is 70 crore people that they're specifically targeting in these elections, the urban poor. They've made a big push for this urban poor, whether it is to get them more jobs, to get them easier loans, and that is something they've focused on. As Sharad Pradhan was specifically talking about Uttar Pradesh, Rahul Gandhi is of the opinion that Uttar Pradesh is not written off as it was. He compared it to 2004 and 2009, saying both times the Congress was written off, both at the centre and specifically in Uttar Pradesh. But the same results that they had in 2009, he promises they will have in 2014. The BJP just preparing its counter-attack in the next 20 minutes.
Absolutely, Gaurav, but there are two crucial points. Number one, unlike 2004 and 2009, this time it seems to be a Rahul show. Right from the manifesto cover page, right from that 6-minute audio-visual presentation, it was Rahul, Rahul, Rahul all the way.
Oh, absolutely. This is Rahul Gandhi's manifesto, and the party made no bones about it. Everybody credited him with this manifesto, and the road ahead clearly is Rahul's show. Sink or sail, they go with Rahul Gandhi. That message came out very clear, and in this, the Prime Minister, of course, as Shiv was also pointing out, the Prime Minister specifically spoke of the Gujarat model of development and the Congress model of development. They seem to be convinced that it's the Congress model of development that will take the country forward, which is more, as they put it, more inclusive. They attacked Narendra Modi and the BJP for not being inclusive, not being secular, and all those points, as Siddharth Varadarajan was rightly pointing out, there was a lot of rhetoric in what was said today. New points, new game changer ideas. Well, perhaps a detailed reading will reveal, but from that press conference, that big game changer, that seemed to be missing.